Dehydrating your produce. That's a great way to get some longevity on the storage of what you've grown.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.
When you dehydrate your vegetables and fruits that you're harvesting, been given or purchased from the farmer's market, there's a number of different tools in which one can use. You can use your oven by cracking the door and allowing the heat to escape and taking the fruit or vegetables and dehydrating them that way. A more energy efficient way in which to do such is using a dehydrator that has a fan that forces the air through the multiple levels in which you've got stacked up. There's many different items in which you can dehydrate, from tomatoes to cucumbers to okra, even peaches, pears, and apples. We find that dehydrating tomatoes actually creates them to be sweeter, and you can eat them as candy, or you can also include them into your dishes, chilies and stews, or sun-dried tomatoes on top of pasta. Cucumbers can be dehydrated and used as cucumber water. You can infuse them into a pitcher of water and later on in the year, and you can have cucumber water in the dead of winter. Okra is dehydrated, and we find that the sliminess that is typically associated with the pods dissipates, and you can utilize that okra for the dishes in which you're intending to use, and you can get the young pods and dehydrate them. There are many other applications, such as pears. Grind them up, dehydrate them, and you can make pear tea.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.